Good morning, team. We are at Pierce Pond Shelter. You can see the pond through the trees back there. When we got here last night, it was super dark, so we just set up and went to bed. We are breaking down right now. As you can see, this is where the tents were, and the rain stopped about an hour ago, but it's supposed to start raining again around 8 or so. So we're all packed up and ready to go, and today we get to do our river crossing. So I'll try to record a little bit once we get there, but it is supposed to rain all day today. So let's see how much recording I'm able to do. Good news, I got some sleep last night and I feel pretty good today, which I'm glad, because I don't think I could handle rain while being tired. So, but yeah. All right, team, let's get this day started and get to the other side of the river. This is happening early in the morning. Yes, I have to forge a river first thing in the morning. And I just put my shoes on. Wasn't ready for this. Have I known, I would have kept my Crocs on. All right, let's do this. So apparently there's a way to go around this water crossing that we just did. Success. I made it out dry. Rocks were slippery. I learned that quickly. Did not fall. But I tell you what, if water crossings are gonna be like this, back to back to back, guess what? These old shoes are gonna get wet, because I am not playing the shoes on, shoes off game today, honestly, with the rain and everything. So, all right, let's keep on hiking and see what this day brings, because already it's full of surprises. Water crossing, first thing in the morning, not even 0.1 away from the shelter. We had to forge the river. So you can see, wet, dreary, but always happy to be here. Check out that mushroom. Ew. That is so weird, so low to the ground. And this one right here is like rotting. I think this is one of the biggest mushrooms I've seen on trail. Okay, so we are the Kennebec River crossing, right? Waiting for the canoe driver. I don't know, what do you call it, paddler? But this is the situation right now. It is pouring rain, and the canoe with no paddler is on the other side of the river. I don't know if you can see it right there. And we're just waiting here. There's no way of communicating. I don't know if they don't cross when it's raining. We have no clue. So we're just gonna patiently wait and see what happens. I did not know this, but you have to sign a waiver before you cross the river. I was unaware. Apparently it's on the Far Out app, but obviously I don't do a lot of reading and did not see that. Trekking Along is signing the waiver. Freak Out and Chopsticks are gonna go first, and then Mother Goose and Thumper will go second. And then I'll be a solo kayaker today. So there we have Thumper and Mother Goose getting on the canoe. Mother Goose is pedaling, and off they go. They make it look so easy. To be honest, it looks a little terrifying because you can see the current in the river. They're doing so good. They are almost to the shore. It looks like they're there, but not quite. That was actually a fairly fast crossing. It took roughly about 2 minutes to cross, give and take. There they are, and they made it safe. Made it across the Kennebec River safe. Now we're just hiking until lunchtime. Gonna stop and have some lunch here in about an hour. Then after that, we're going to reevaluate how far we're going because we're wet, but that's just part of it. It's part of hiking in the rain, but at least it's not raining really hard anymore. It's just a light rain, so that's good. And we're going uphill. Again, it was supposed to get flat, and now we are climbing. I mean, it looks kind of flattish, but it's going up. All right, team. Let's keep this day going and see how far we go. Because I get the sneaky suspicion that it's not going to be very far. All right, let's get it. Hey, team. So we are at a shelter now. We cut our day very short because it was raining a lot. And fun fact, I was doing a water crossing and I fell in the river and got soaking wet. So yeah, I was hiking for about like 3 miles with a wet butt. It was really, really fun. But we're just going to rest, sleep, eat, get warm so we can do it again tomorrow. Yeah, uneventful day. Just rained a lot and I fell in the river. Okay, that is all I have. I guess everybody has a good evening and I will see you in the morning.